her own mother.
Maybe he'll still potty. I don't know.
He's out here.
He's out here.
Zach's out here, girls. Yeah.
Love that horse. Oh, he's tons of fun. This is going to be fun.
Hey, big guys and girls.
When we pulled up, he looked at the trailer and he looked. And we started walking right next to the trailer. And he went right in like he's like, "Here's my ride. It's coming. My ride's here. I'm ready."
Totally, he was very
That's
calm.
out in the pasture.
Something restless. Sitting matches on the other side. Somebody weed whacking? Somebody went by?
Yep.
Z's up on the hill.
You save me?
I saved you.
Anything about that one? No, not him. That's Chip. What do you think about this guy?
Cool.
That's Vinny.
It is?
That's Vinny, Addie.
I know.
Yeah. He's yours. He's yours and yours.
And not Dad.
Yeah, he's Dad's too. Yeah.
Like yours.
What do you guys think? Ames,
Cool.
you have a horse.
Cool. I know he's cool.
You're kind of in shock, aren't you?
Pet him.
Yeah, I was gonna say, is this the shock look? Like,
Nothing?
You guys got good shoe. Oh, Ed.
I know. Just be
Just
careful.
be careful.
Okay.
Don't put your feet under his feet. It'll hurt.
Talk to him.
That's true.
Addie, front of the horse.
Yep. Is there somebody my color and my size or close?